my dad, for simply being there. Your silence at times never meant that you do not care. I know very well how much you sacrifice to make our family surpass the battles of life. And to my mom, your strength and faith to overcome the crippling back pains in Italy makes you the strongest person I know. God knows how proud I am to have you as my dad and mom. I offer to you this humble accomplishment of mine. I also like to thank my family, especially my second father, Tito Nardin, who just passed away last January, friends, schoolmates, and academic educators. Thank you, for without any of you, I would not be where I am at this moment, because without your help, I would not have been given this chance to represent the class with a lengthy speech comprising of my own personal anecdotes, a chance I now plan to take full advantage of. To begin with, let me first greet you all, especially the stars of tonight's event, the class of 2013, a simple good evening. It was 4 years ago since we first set foot on this ground. And in those 4 years, many things have happened. We learned, we laughed, we cried, we studied, we prayed, and we grew. In all of this, the sense of drama washed over us as we experienced the highs and lows of our emotions. There is the feeling of being tortured whenever we were given difficult assignments and projects. The feeling of joy whenever our hard works were recognized. The feeling of satisfaction after every end of the school year, have survived yet another year. And finally, there is the feeling of triumph and euphoria as we are here today, the day we have been waiting for. The day we get to see the fruits of our hard works, our graduation day. As we march down the aisle and receive our diploma, we will look back with a smile in our 4 years in a blue school of fisheries. We will say the words, "Dito nagsimula ang masasayang araw ko." This institution is the place where our cherished memories were made, where many of our firsts happened. Our first JS promenade, first pageant, first intramurals, first dance, and many other firsts. Because of this, ASF has become the place that we will keep coming back to. However, the path toward the realization of our goals has never been an easy one. Sacrifices have to be made to realize our dreams. We had to wake up early to go to school, sleep late at night, or not sleep at all to finish a project. We had to sit down the entire day listening to the discussion of the teacher. We were also besieged with difficulties and problems that almost pulled us down. But to be able to make it through all this deserves not just recognition, but reward. Today, we reap that reward. We are part of the graduating class of 2013. And for that, let us therefore give ourselves a round of applause. Then again, we could not have done it without the many people who are behind our greatest accomplishments. On behalf of the graduates, it is my honor to thank our beloved parents and families who have been with us throughout our journey. Had it not been for their unwavering support and unconditional love and inspiration, we would not be graduating here today. So to our parents and families, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. And to our friends around, thank you so much for making us realize our weaknesses when you honestly told us we were wrong. Thank you for the times you let us feel the pain of failures. For you have have taught the best lessons of striving better and believing in the power of friendship. Thank you for the times you have twisted our wrong judgments, for you embedded in our hearts that it is important to listen and learn from others. You have contributed much not to what we are now, but to what we will forever be. My dear teachers, if our friends taught us how to become good, you have taught us that no matter where life takes us, we must go forward, and along our way, never let anyone tell us that we are not good enough. We are more than ready, each of us, to make our dreams come true. For your patience, time, and understanding, for sharing with us your gift of knowledge, and for imparting to us words of wisdom, thank you. We shall be forever grateful to all of you for being the instrument to our quest for knowledge and change. And above all, to the Almighty God, thank you for the gift of life and for being there always, guiding us in all our undertakings. He is the very reason for our existence and every success. May He continually guide us in whatever journey we take. To the Buluk School of Fisheries and to everyone who worked for the betterment of this institution, our sincerest gratitude. ASF has become our second home and the people behind it our second family. This institution did not fail in bringing us up, the graduates, equipped with necessary tools to survive the real world. For it and more, we are proud to be ASEANs and forever grateful to the Buluk School of Fisheries, our dear alma mater. Borrowing the words of President Barack Obama and putting it into our context, I quote, "Today, change has come. True enough, change has come into our lives, and ASF, along with our families, teachers, and friends, has been instrumental to this change. This institution has made us who we are now and made us the proud batch of 2013. Unity is the word that defines us as a batch. Many people have said that we are not united, but we proved them wrong. Our batch has the courage, the determination, and the desire to cause a change for the better. With that, we emerge as a unified batch with a simple purpose of having our views heard.